Hey, what's up? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swamp Man, on a hike on the Lassiter Trail in Merchants Mill Pond State Park, eastern North Carolina. I was just walking along the side of the trail and saw this pretty big beech tree that had fallen down. I decided to climb up it. Um, I'm not too far off the ground, but climbed up here and was kind of walking along the trunk and thinking about, its place in the world, this cycle, how it's part of a cycle, and all things are part of cycles out in the universe, and certainly here on Earth we have all kinds of cyclings of matter, nutrients, gases within the atmosphere, water, but a really important role of a group of organisms is decomposition. So this tree that fell down, I don't know when, it doesn't look too recent. Some of the branches have rotted off already. So, let's say it fell down 5 or 10 years ago. Well, over this next 20, 30 years, something is going to have to happen to this tree. Otherwise, all these forests around would just fill up with fallen trees, and it'd be impossible to walk in like what I've been walking in right now. But organisms like bacteria, they break down this living matter. This tree that's fallen down is going to get broken down by decomposers, different beetles and insects, worms. All these organisms are going to help to bring this tree and turn it back into the nutrients that it took up over its lifetime. So it's such an important role. These huge roots that are back here, they spent decades and decades soaking up water full of nutrients from the soil that's around here. And if decomposers didn't take the stuff that's left over when a tree dies or tree falls like this, if it didn't take it and put it back into the soil, our soils would be depleted, within hundreds of years. And yet these soils have been doing well on the planet for millions and millions of years. So it's this role of decomposers to break down a dead tree like this, other plant material, and turn it back into the nutrients in the soil that it came from. Really cool stuff. Just kind of enjoying my walk on the Lassiter Trail and want to get back to it. Just thought I'd stop and share a little bit with you and tell you that science rocks. Peace.